Hello student, today we learn next part from the chapter number 6 natural regions. See on page number 32 they are given natural regions from the poles to the equator, and we know that from the climate there we get different regions. See first region, tundra region, and this region is located between 65° north and 90° north parallels, and it is very cold climate is found in this region, and short lived life is seen in this region, and animals in this region have soft and thick fur, and population distribution is found to be extremely sparse in this region. And see climate is a mean summer temperature is a 10 degrees Celsius, that means it is very cold, and mean winter temperature is approximately -20 to -30 degrees Celsius, and mean annual rainfall is a 25 to 300 millimeter. It is very cold climate, okay, in a tundra. And which locations this region occur? Greenland, North Canada, North Europe, North Asia. Okay, this one is the tundra region. And the second, taiga region. Taiga region is located between 55° north and 65° north, parallel. It is also parallel. And this region receives rainfall in summer and snowfall in winter, and coniferous forests are mainly found in this region. Very cold climate is found in this region, and here also short-lived vegetal life is seen in this region, and animals in this region have soft and thick fur, and population is found to be less in this region. Okay student, and see here summer temperature 15° to 20° Celsius, and winter temperature is below 0° Celsius, so it is a cold area, taiga region. Then third one, grasslands, steppes and prairies region, and this region is located between 30° and 55° north and south parallels in the interior parts of the continents. And this region receives rainfall mostly during the summer, and extensive grass ranches are seen in this region, and herbivores are mostly seen in this region. Rearing animals is the main occupation of people living in this region, and this region is also known for its large scale production of wheat. Okay, here summer temperature is around 27° Celsius, and winter temperature below 0° Celsius. Okay, and mean annual rainfall is 400 to 600 millimeter. And here main wheat production occur in a large amount. Then next fourth one, hot desert region. See this region is located between 20° and 30° north and south parallels, and tremendous heat during day, very cold nights and very low rainfall are the main climatic features of this region. And here camels are mainly seen in this region, and people from this region fulfill their needs mainly through the animals. Okay, nights are very cold in this region, and this is found in a western parts of continents like Sahara, North Africa, as this Thor, it is desert region. And the next one, grasslands, that type we call as the Sudan type, and this one is located in between 5 degrees Celsius to 20 degree north and south parallels, and in this region the summer is hot and humid and the winter is warm and dry. And here tall and thick grass is mainly found in this region, and large number of herbivorous and carnivorous animals are seen in this region, and hunting and rearing the main occupations of people living in this region. Okay, then the last equatorial region. See, this region is located between 5 degree north and 5 degree south parallel to the equator, and hot and humid climate in this region leads to many diseases, and dense evergreen forests are mainly seen in this region, and a great variety in animals is seen in this region, and human settlements are few in this region. These are the features of this region. Okay student, so today we learn information of about different regions, their locations and extents, as well as their climates. So today we will stop here.